So here's a quick video of some things that I've been experimenting with using Bolt.new. This is a great tool whether you want to give ideas to your design or development team for your law firm marketing, or you're just looking for ideas and ways to enhance your website. Here's a very quick prompt I put in. Help me build an interactive traffic accident app, and here are the details of downloading the data. This is just a very basic prompt. I would typically go a lot further than this, but for explanatory purposes and showing you, we'll see exactly what happens here. So let's see here. It doesn't look like it's going to like the API, but I think we're still going to like the point here. There's other tools out there like Replit as well that can even host it. Of course, you can deploy it directly from the app. You can with here too, but the backend is hosted elsewhere. So what it's doing right now is it's just taking that natural language of what I said, and it's trying to create it and turn it into an idea of an actual web app that we can potentially integrate onto our website. So here we go, building all the code. Obviously, you can see that there would be a lot of coding involved just to even do this. So doing this previously used to take a lot more dev resources. And of course, I got this error. Okay, this happens, and that's fine. So I'm just going to show you the very basic way of how you can fix it. Please fix this error, and now it's going to attempt to fix whatever issues it found here. So this is the intersect of developers and AI. And today's kind of the dumbest it will ever be. The most exciting part about this thing for me is that I've been able to now take ideas like these interactive accident maps or personal injury claim calculators, divorce calculators, you name it, and easily create something without having to go back and forth through development. Now, whenever you launch something like this, you definitely want to make sure it's QA'd so it turns out the way that you want. But here we go. Now we have this and there, and we could easily add a map integration here as well. We could have it integrate with Google Maps API. We can ask, hey, you know what? Let's be able to sort by type of collision, add a placeholder map. And when I say add a placeholder map, you know what? I'll probably, since I'm not going to integrate the API right now, is I'll just get a Google Maps screenshot here, and I'll just show you, for example purposes, you know, exactly what it's going to look like. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to say add placeholder map from this URL, and I want to put an image that's actually online elsewhere, just as an example. Here it goes. It's taking my feedback in natural language, and it's going to go ahead and process it, and hopefully the outcome is exactly what we're looking for. And again, once this is done, this is something that we could potentially deploy right away or make enhancements to it and test it and refine it. But I think this is going to be a big part of the future for not only SEOs, but for any marketer. You want to create something that people find a lot of value in. And I know in personal injury, one of the things that people tend to find a lot of value in is looking for the most dangerous intersections in their city, or, you know, maybe the most dangerous cars or the safest cars and all these studies. And people don't want to just go through loads of text. You're probably still going to need it, but what's the easier way to display that information visually that will really resonate and attract to your ideal clients? So here we go. Here's the example. It added collision types, and it added where the map would be. Of course, a little bit more work would be involved to integrate the API as far as Google's concerned here, but I hope you get the point, and I hope you find this useful. Thanks again.